Hey Krishna, once again welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a craving recipe. Today we will make calzones. These are cheesy Italian pockets and are really easy to make. These calzones are really healthy and nutritious with golden soft and crispy jacket. So let's get started. First, let's make the dough. For this, take a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour. Into this, add salt as per taste, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of curd. Combine all these ingredients thoroughly. For this, we have used only wheat flour, which is very healthy. And to make this healthier, instead of normal oil, you can also use olive oil. This has mixed well. Here I have taken warm water. Add part by part and knead the dough. The dough must be medium soft. Do not add all the water at once. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. So totally I have used a little more than 3/4 cup of water. Our dough is ready. You can see its texture. Now let's cover it and let it rest for 2 hours. It has been 2 hours. Let's take out the dough. Now give it a final knead. You can see we have not used yeast anywhere. Next, make balls out of this. Similarly, make all the dough balls. The balls are ready. From this dough, we can make 11 medium-sized calzones. Next, let's start preparing its stuffing. For this, add 2 cups of boiled sweet corn. Into this, add 1/4 cup of chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon red chili flakes, add half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, salt as per taste. Now mix all this well. I had shared the tomato ketchup's recipe before, whose recipe link has been shared in the description box. You can add any other vegetables like baby corn or olives and paneer also. This has mixed well. Here I have taken 3 cheese cubes. Let's grate and add it. This is to make the calzones cheesier. You can use mozzarella cheese also. Mix it well again. Make sure you prepare this mixture just sometimes before the 2 hours of the dough is about to complete, so that the stuffing don't become watery. Our stuffing too is ready. Next, we will prepare a flavored butter. For this, I have taken 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix all this well. This is also ready. Next, dust some dry flour. Take a ball and roll it into a chapati. It shouldn't be too thick, not too thin. Our chapati is ready. Now apply some flavored butter it all over. Now place some stuffing. Do not overstuff it. Next, slowly place the other side and press the edges. For this, you can also use a fork. Now I will seal it. You can see I am twisting it inwards. Seal the entire edge. Our calzone is ready. I will show you one more. Dust the flour on a dough ball. Roll it into a puri. Done. Now apply the butter well. This gives an extra flavor to our calzone. Next, place the stuffing on a side. Cover it with the other edge. Press and seal it. Similarly, prepare the calzones. Here I have taken a baking tray. Grease it with oil or butter and place the calzones. I have placed all of this. Now let's apply the flavored butter on our calzones. Applying it makes the calzones more crispy. Like this, apply on all the calzones. Our calzones are ready to get baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. If you don't have oven, you can bake it in cooker or pan also. For that, preheat the pan for 10 minutes and bake it on medium flame for half an hour. Let's place the tray in the preheated oven now and bake it on 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check. It has baked well. Take them out. Wonderful! These are soft and crispy from out and flavorful and cheesy from in. These have baked perfectly. Our calzones are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our calzone pockets are offered and ready. You can serve it with tomato ketchup. If you like Bhuga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhuga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.